totally get it. Oversalting happens to the best of us. Here are practical steps to fix or prevent salty food in your cooking. Checkmark 1. Dilute it. Add more liquid, water, broth, unsalted tomato sauce, coconut milk, etc. Works well for soups, stews, sauces, and curries. Taste as you go so it doesn't become too watery. 2. Add unsalted ingredients. Toss in more veggies, rice, pasta, or potatoes to absorb the excess salt. Great trick for casseroles, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. 3. Bulk it up. Double the recipe if you have the ingredients and freezer space. Freeze the leftovers for another day. Win-win. 4. Use acid. Add a splash of lemon juice, vinegar, or even a bit of tomato. Acid can balance out the saltiness and brighten flavors. 5. Add something sweet, cautiously. A pinch of sugar, honey, or maple syrup can round off the saltiness. Careful not to overdo it. You don't want dessert for dinner. 6. Stir in dairy, add cream, milk, yogurt, or sour cream. Dairy can mellow the salt. Works especially well in creamy dishes or sauces. 7. Mask with herbs and spices. Add fresh herbs, garlic, onion, or other spices to distract the palate. Won't reduce salt, but can help balance the flavor profile. 8. Serve with a plain side. Serve your salty dish with unsalted rice, bread, or mashed potatoes. Acts like a sponge and makes everything taste more balanced.